Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you guys are doing amazing. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how I DIY'd my own Balenciaga purse. So I saw this picture online of this Balenciaga purse and I immediately thought it was so cute. So then I went and checked the price online and it was $2,300. I was like, absolutely no way am I paying that much. I mean, I wasn't too surprised because after all, it is a designer bag. So instead I searched the web for a similar style bag as the Balenciaga purse. And guys, I found this gem right here from Shein, and guess what? It was only $8. So I bought it with my very own money because that's a price that I am willing to pay. So this is it right here, up close and personal. It is really cute and small, but I also believe the original Balenciaga bag is pretty small as well, so it's perfect. It has a nice gold zipper charm and the inside of the purse is fairly decent. It can definitely fit my phone and a small wallet. Now it also comes with a long shoulder strap. It doesn't have a clasp that hooks onto the loop. I just basically had to tie a knot so it doesn't come through the grommet hole. Okay, so to do this project, I'm going to be using my beautiful Cricut Explore Air machine. It is light pink in color and I absolutely love it. I just want to say that I'm not being sponsored by Cricut. I'm making this video out of my own personal choices, but if Cricut is watching this video and wants to sponsor me, definitely hit me up. Alright, so the first thing I did was go on Google and searched Balenciaga logo. I'm going to use this image right here. So when choosing an image, you want to make sure the size is 300 or more because the bigger the number, the more precise the cut will be. After that, I saved the image to my desktop. Now I'm on Cricut Design Space and I'm going to hit Browse and choose the image that I just saved and click Open. Over here, I'm just going to use Simple and click Continue. Now when on this page, you want to use the remove tool to remove any background image. All you need to do is click the surface that you want to remove. Since this image is already a PNG file, I don't need to remove anything right now. You can click preview to see if the image looks right, and if it looks okay, click continue. When you get to this page, you want to choose cut image and then upload. Now click on the image we uploaded and insert image. And now we are here at the Design Space workboard. The image usually uploads as a large file, so all you need to do is resize the image. Before I do that, I'm just gonna take a tape measure and measure how wide I want the logo to be on this purse. So for me, 20 centimeters is perfect, so I'll go in and change the width to 20 centimeters. Then you wanna go over here and click Make It. And it should look like this on the mat. Now I'm going to take my Cricut mat. And as you can see, it has been through a lot, so no judgment. So now I'm going to take my white vinyl, making sure the back side is facing down and the white side is facing up. Now I'm going to line the paper to the lines on the mat, but clearly it wasn't even, but whatever, it's okay. And then press down on the mat. I like to add some tape to tape it down because the mat is not as sticky as it was before. And once it is all sealed down, it's time to take it to the machine. Once your mat is on the machine, you want to press this arrow button to feed the mat in. And once it's in, you want to head back to Cricut Design Space and click Continue. Once you've done that, this light should be blinking. When it is, go ahead and press that. And then your design is ready to be cut out. This part is always so satisfying for me every time I'm cutting out a design, so I usually like to stand and watch it in action and just be super excited for the finished product. When the design is done, you want to hit this arrow button to eject the mat from the machine. So I went ahead and I cut the logo out off of the excess vinyl that we had, and here it is. It's kind of hard to see, but the logo is right there. So my next step is to remove that excess vinyl sticker that we don't need. So I'm just going to carefully peel it off, making sure not to peel off any of the letters. So now I'm going to just take this Cricut hook tool and I'm going to use it to remove any excess vinyl that I need to take off before I transfer it onto the bag. And before I transfer the letters onto the bag, I need some transfer tape. So this transfer tape right here, I bought off of Amazon, and I will post all the links to the items that I used in my description box. So then I went ahead and I also cut out the same kind of measurements of the transfer tape to the logo. And I'm just gonna peel off the backing of this tape, face it down on the surface, sticky side up, and then I'm going to place my logo with the letters facing down on top of the tape. Now I'm going to be taking this Cricut scraper tool thing. I don't know the name of this, but I'm just going to go and glide that on top of the logo to make sure that the letters transfer onto the transfer tape. Now I'm going to just slowly peel it to make sure that everything was transferred nicely. Moving forward, I'm just going to take a little bit of alcohol on this towel and just clean the surface. And then before I go ahead and I transfer the logo, I'm just going to measure it on the bag to see where I want it to be placed. Once the placement is okay, I'm just going to go and stick the middle part of the logo down first and then move on to the sides. And I'm going to take this scraper tool once again to just press down on the letters just to make sure that it transfers nicely onto the bag. Now I'm just going to check to see if the letters have transferred, so I'm just going to carefully peel off that transfer tape. Since the letters are still not transferred fully, I'm just going to go in with this hook and just really give it a good rub until the letters are on the bag. And I'm just going to go ahead and continue that all the way through until the letters are fully transferred. I actually tested out on an old bag using a stencil and some white paint to see what it would look like. And it didn't turn out too good. From far away, it looks like a shadow logo, but up close, it just looks like a big mess. So I scrapped that whole method. And once the letters are fully transferred, this is what it looks like. Super cute, super fun, and not as expensive as the original. So this is an extra step that I'm going to take. You don't need to do it, but I'm not even sure if this product is supposed to be used here, but I'm going to do it anyways. I'm just going to be using a super gloss acrylic sealer just to seal the letters down onto the bag so that they don't really peel off. A little side note, you want to do this in a well-ventilated area, like outside or something like that, and also maybe wear a mask when using this product. Once that is dried, this is the finished results. I love it. I think it's super cute. From far away, it definitely looks like a Balenciaga bag. Like, you wouldn't know that it was fake unless you really walked up close. But who's really gonna do that, because we are social distancing right now. But guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's super easy to do. If you guys have a Cricut machine, definitely try it out. I'm sure there's other ways that you could make it if you don't have one, but this is just my method because I have a machine and I love playing around with it. But yeah, this is it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.